Many buyers ask, what are 3 things I need to know before buying a practice? I would say the top 3 things in my mind are, A, is this practice something that's going to match your skill level? Whether you're a new dentist out of school or whether you've been practicing for 12 years, you want to find a practice that matches your skills and your ability to see patients and do production on those patients. The second thing would be, is this a part of the country that you want to live in? Because in the dental world right now, you pretty much have a choice of picking the practice in anywhere, in any state in the country. And the third thing I would think would be to make sure that you have some competent representation. In our business, we will represent the buyer or the seller, but not both. And someone needs to evaluate the practice on your behalf, read your documents for you, and make sure that there are no pitfalls on your behalf. And that's just really important to have a successful transition.
I think you ought to have a pretty good idea of how practices are valued and what size you need to buy in order to be able to meet your career goals. One of the riskiest things, perhaps maybe not as risky as starting your own practice in today's world, but buying a practice that's not large enough to meet your financial needs, both personal needs and your debt service needs, both the acquisition debt and the student loan debt. Again, I think you need to know the basic parameters of what the lenders are going to request from you about buying a practice. Again, fairly simple, but if you don't know that information, it can be troubling.
While the seller may have the practice, a buyer's the other half of the equation. And there is certainly a lot of coaching that goes into that process as well. And why we assign a broker to all of our buyers in our database that offer free mentoring through the process. So not only will they assist you in gathering the documentation you need, putting together the business plan that you need, and assist you in getting your funding, we are also the only broker that has a loan transition coordinator that will keep everything together for you.